MS Word MCQs. The first question: what is the default file extension for documents created in MS Word 2016? The right answer, option C, .doc, is the right answer. And move on next question. Which shortcut key is used to copy selected text in MS Word? The right answer, option D, Ctrl+C, is the right answer. And next question: what does the Ctrl+P shortcut do in MS Word? The right answer, option D, print, is the right answer. And move on next question. In MS Word, the thesaurus feature is used for. The right answer, option B, finding synonyms, is the right answer. And move on next question. Which feature in MS Word helps to correct spelling errors? The right answer, option B, spell check, is the right answer. And move on next question. What is the function of Ctrl+Z in MS Word? The right answer, option C, undo, is the right answer. Move on next question. Which tab in MS Word contains the page layout option? The right answer, option D, layout, is the right answer. And move on next question. What is the smallest and largest font size available in MS Word by default? The right answer, option D, 6 and 72, is the right answer. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.